Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have I don't know what to call it because I'm so excited about it. A friend mail, but oh my gosh, really? From one of you beautiful wildflowers, and I'm going to unbox it. So if you're interested, please do stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you're having a good day. Well, I am posting this a little late today because I received this package late yesterday afternoon and from one of you beautiful wildflowers, Jen Button, whom I call my personal hair care expert. She used to be a hairdresser. And so I was really surprised by it. But the thing is, it was a little late last night by the time, I finished with everything. And I knew I wasn't going to be able to edit it all and get it up too early in the morning because I did have a very, very early 7 a.m. meeting and I needed to get some beauty sleep. You know what I mean? So yeah, so today I'm going to go ahead and open this, and I needed to scramble some of the things I've already pre-recorded, but that's okay because I'm dying to know what's in here. But before we go there, let's do our Power Thought cards, which is our affirmations. And again, I'm sorry this is a little late because I know some of you like to start your day with this, and please do forgive me. But you know what? We're going to do one anyway. So let's go ahead and take a look. What do we have? Okay, here we go. Here's a card. And it says, there is plenty for everyone, including me. There is plenty for everyone, including me. And this is an interesting card in that I don't know where to go with that right away. Well, other than the fact that, sometimes people, for some reason or other, unfound fear that, I got to get mine before it's not available. And it's not, they don't present themselves really well. They sometimes come across a little bit selfish-like and afraid to share information because they want to make sure that they get theirs. And I've seen that happen, and I find that to be a really, I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't think to do that, and I know all of you probably wouldn't think to do that, because there is plenty out there. And another thing, if it's not, if I don't get it this time, I might get it next time. If I don't get it at all, guess what? It is what it is. I wasn't meant to have it, right? And so I think this is one of those things that you shouldn't stress over things like this because there's so much other things that we stress over on a daily basis that are important, right? And this has to do with, I think, keeping up with the Joneses as well. And I think all of you probably heard that before, keeping up with the Joneses. I have Joneses who live next door to me, and the wife just got a brand new Mercedes, so I have to get a Mercedes better than that. Ooh, and they just bought a bunch of furniture because I saw a truck pull up and I saw what they unloaded. Well, I got to get something better than that. I think this is tied to something like that, or it could lead to something like that, getting yourself in trouble, right? Trying to keep up with the Joneses. But just remember, whatever it is out there, there's plenty for everybody. And we're not to a point yet, this world that we have to fight over food or we have to fight over water. If we're not careful and take care of our environment, we're going to ultimately end up there, but probably not in our lifetime, right? And so what does it say in the back here? It says, the ocean of life is lavish with its abundance. All my needs and desires are met before I even ask. My good comes from everywhere and everyone and everything. So in other words, they're talking about sharing. It's abundant out there. So yeah, don't feel stressed. Don't become anxious over it. I'll read that again. The ocean of life is lavish with its abundance. All my needs and desires are met before I even ask. Okay, we have food, we have shelter. We are not asking for it every single day. Well, most of us are not. And my good comes from everywhere and everyone and everything. So that's looking at the positive side of everything, everyone, and everywhere, right? And so, yeah. So here's the card. It's really hard to read. Like I said before, I need to give feedback on this. This side's not too bad, but yeah. So yeah, that's that for today. Okay, now let's get into this box because I'm really dying to know. And I love the way it actually came because my husband brought it in from the mailbox, and first thing I saw was, oh my goodness. I mean, it's, you know, look at it. It's fun. It is so much fun. Friend mail everywhere. And I just, look, it says Alexis, smiley face, oh, Modesty, YouTube, Insta. And I think she's referring to my YouTube channel and Instagram. So, okay, let's get this thing opened. Let me get this. She taped it so well. So, yeah, let me just move everything out of the way because this is quite a large box. And I don't have that much room on my table right now. So, let's see what we have here. And I am just so very excited. Not so much for what's inside, but the thought that, you know, she put into it. And she sent this to me like this, and it's like so unexpected, and it's appreciated. But I appreciate every one of you guys anyway, right? And so yeah, okay. And here is a note up top. Okay, oh wow, this is very nicely packaged. You see? And so I'm gonna read you what she said. And again, I gotta reach for my little magnifying glass here so I can see, and I don't want to read it wrong. Okay, Alexis, thank you again. I just want your viewers to know the giveaway had so much stuff. I wish I had an unboxing channel to show it all. Oh, and she did win one of the giveaways. That's right. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Alrighty. And that's that. I will cut that. I'll untape that stuff. And there's a card in here too. My God, Jen. Okay, it says here, Alexis at Haute Modesty, and she put my address there, so I guess in case it didn't make it. In the back it says, fully vaccinated friend mail. That's cute. Matter of fact, in my next video, I believe it's the one with the unboxing IPSY, I'm going to have a little bit of a conversation about that for you, being in a medical field. So, yeah, it's going to short conversation, but yeah. Something that I think is a needed public announcement. So here we go. It's a card that says thank you. And let's see what it says. All right. Dear Alexis, thank you so much for the beautiful giveaway prizes. So many great products, and I especially love the personalized mug stationery with your logo. But mostly, I've loved finding out how much we have in common. So please enjoy some of our favorite things. Love, blessings, Jen Button. Aw, Jen, this is so nice. Aw. And I'm gonna add this to my friend mail. I have it all over the mirror, actually, so I will add that. And so let's see what we got for goodies. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. This is heavy and wrapped so well too. And let's see what we have. Okay. Look at me like a kid in Christmas or something. Okay. Was able to get some of your top note preferences from the past videos. And you only wear, let's see, Oude perfume. Please enjoy. Top note citrus, peach, plum, middle, rosewater, jasmine, and base amber, vanilla, musk. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly. So here it is. And I have heard of her perfume, and I've been like wanting to try it. And let's see. Wow. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see what's in here. And I can already kind of smell it. And it's like, oh, this is so pretty. And the box is just like gorgeous. I think I'm going to use this as a backdrop. So, yeah. And look at the inside. So fancy. Okay. And, oh, this does smell really nice. And I love the base of the amber and the vanilla. Oh, okay, take a look. And, I mean, definitely I can smell this. So nice. Thank you so much, Jen. And there's actually a travel one, which I love because I like to keep it in my purse. Very nice. Okay. Wow. And there's a lotion, too, so that way I don't have to spray myself 20 times a day. When you have the lotion underneath, it actually will hold your scent a little bit better. So there we go. And I just want to make sure I put this back exactly right. And I'll just put this down gingerly. And next, okay, there's like 2 bags. Let's see what's in here. Wow. You shouldn't have, Jen. This is like too much. Okay, and let's see. Ah, ha, 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 ha. The Kula. You remember I got this, I actually bought this because I love it, and I used the actual sample already. And you know what? And I was thinking, can I save the bottle and just save it for when I travel? But no need now. Here it is. Oh, wow. I knew you ordered it a full size, but I hope you enjoy this small travel size. I definitely will, Jen. I definitely will. So thank you for that. And then the other piece is Huda Beauty. And this is the amethyst, and that's my color. Yeah, that's definitely my me in a palette. So, oh, so pretty. I know Stephanie at Opinionated Horsewoman, this is her in the palette too. And I'm going to have to do this one, do a look using this. Wow. And the other piece is, let's see, what is this? I can't see. It's the writing small. My favorite K-Beauty line, ordered from bloomingcoco.com. You know, she's the one who told me about Blooming Coco. Located in California, super moisturizing and great product. Love snails. Oh, snail product. I love snail product. And that's one of the things I was going to share with you, that I'm almost finished with that one. And so this is just very timely. And I will do the empties, and that's exactly what I got. Which is the snail serum. Okay, and this is an advanced snail serum. Oh my gosh. Yep, and I'm going to make sure that it stays closed until I run out of the other one. And these actually feel really good when it's in a refrigerator. That's what I do. I put it in my tiny refrigerator. Not so much to preserve my stuff, but more to so it's nice and cool. And also, if you have like itchy issues, cooling your products really helps you. Okay? And this is by Corsic. And C-O-R-S-R-X. Oh, I think it's Cosrex. So RX meaning subscription, right? So definitely nice. It is K-Beauty. Okay. And that's that. And my goodness, there's more. Okay. Oh. And there's 2 things in here that I want to be really careful. Oh my God. She does know me. You know me, Jen. Ahava. And I have really talked this company up, and it's actually based in Israel, and it's actually made there. And they use a lot of the Dead Sea products, the Dead Sea environment, and the minerals from there. Here's a mineral hand cream that's in there. And they do have, I do love their products. And I do use it regularly. So, okay, the other one is mineral body lotion. I'm not sure if I have the body lotion, but this is perfect size for when I traveled. I think I told you guys that little story about I didn't have one. And, oh, for sure, this is going with me on my next trip. The shower gel by Hava. And for sure, I don't have this. So, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I hate to break up the kit, but, you know, it is what it is. I will save this box, though, for a background, probably. And the last box here is again a Hava, but beautiful color scheme, silver and gold. So pretty. And this is the Mineral Dream Trio. And, ooh, I like the color. And this is, let's see, a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream again. And this is Cactus and Pink Pepper. Ooh, fun. I love this color. Okay, and the next one, which is, look, purple. Can you believe that? Where did you get this, Jen? I've never seen these kits. And this one is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And this one is in Spring Blossom. Beautiful Wildflowers, Blossom. And the blue. I mean, these are such pretty colors. Yeah. And this one is the Dead seawater mineral hand cream. I actually have the big one of this and I really do enjoy it. This is great if you like hand cream that's not slippery, but it really holds moisture. And I think it has dimethicone that really seals the moisture in your hand, even when you wash your hands. So it stays on for a long time. And actually, I love a travel size because that way I don't have to take my huge tube with me. So yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. That was a lot of stuff, right? So, gosh, thank you so much, Jen. And I really do enjoy this stuff, and I will. And yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm rarely speechless, but right now I am. But thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you for commenting every day and, you know, responding to questions of others and things like that. That, you know, I want our environment to be a positive one. I want one that fosters and empowers each other and not knock anybody down, you know, and I see that a lot in other channels, and that's not what I want for you guys. You guys are beautiful wildflowers. You're resilient, okay? In case you've never known why I call you that, I will have to link that video that explains why I call you that, but just think, you grow beautifully anywhere with resiliency and grace. Okay? Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value today, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. Doesn't matter, whenever you're watching this. So, what do I usually say? Never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.